Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best kids RC helicopters that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Kids RC Helicopters. Suitable helicopter toy. You may not know where to begin. We've found some of the best RC helicopters for kids. But before we get to the reviews, I'll share some tips and things to look for before spending your money. Number 5 GearRoot Flying Ball Indoor Helicopter. Induction and remote control. The induction mode allows your child to start the movements by placing their hands in the air underneath the copter. It will then ascend and descend. 2 modes of control. 8-10 minutes of flying time. Made from non-toxic materials. Number 4 WL Toys Large Helicopter Toy. Realistic this one is. It comes with a 4-channel, 2.4 GHz remote control, which means plenty of maneuvers to try. Stunt ready for the little daredevils. Flight time of 8 minutes. 4-channel, 2.4 GHz remote control. Number 3 Betheas Flying Ball Helicopter Toys. Great when compared to the more advanced helicopter toys. It comes with a small remote control that can make it fly and land. Once in the air, your child can use their hand to control where it flies. Great for kids and beginners. Fun light feature. Up to 15 minutes of flying time. Number 2 Mini RC Flying Helicopter Toy, with helicopter propellers on top. It's excellent for a 5-year-old, and even the youngest can play along. It comes with LED hover technology and motion sensors. Good for smaller kids. Hover technology and motion sensors. LED lights for extra fun. Number 1 Mini Helicopter with remote control. 8.5 inches long and is suitable for children ages 8 and up. It's made with lightweight material but is crash resistant. If it hits the ground, all you have to do is tap the throttle and it will right itself and fly again. Supports basic movements, perfect for kids. Crash resistant. Color changing LED lights. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.